I'm Samuel Bottorf from Bridgeview, Illinois, and this is a TreeStuff.com review for the SENA Integrated Communication System DIY. Now, we've got pretty cheap helmets at our workplace, and it's pretty easy to install, to set it up in here. Just be careful because the wires get cut pretty easily. If you're new to the whole Bluetooth headset system, they're pretty good. I haven't tried any other headset systems before. There are some things that are difficult to use with it. I'd say the most frustrating thing is that you can't go too far away from the other person that you're linked with. Otherwise, it'll get really staticky and then you start to lose reception. Other than that, if you don't have Bluetooth headsets and you're working on the same crew every day, this is an awesome thing to have. I really recommend getting it. It makes the workday, first off, a lot more fun because you get to talk without yelling down the tree or up the tree. You can talk all day long to each other, and you can also communicate and get the job done better. So there's just a couple downsides, and they're nothing really critical. I'd say it's a great system. It is more pricey. There are some cheaper ones out there I know of, but I don't know if they're that great. So hopefully this helps you out, and thanks for watching.